how to teach your child to read, even if you don't know where to start. If you've ever thought, I want to help my child learn to read, but I have no idea where to start, you're not alone. And the truth is, teaching your child to read is so much easier than you think. You don't need a teaching degree, you don't need hours a day, and you definitely don't need fancy programs. Let me show you the simple starting point for ages 2 to 6. Welcome back. I'm Laura Beth, the creator of Books, Bonds, and Brighter Futures, and this video is all about taking the overwhelm out of teaching reading at home. Now, in the last video, I shared why early reading confidence starts long before school, and today I'm going to show you what early reading actually looks like, step by step, for real parents with real schedules. My goal is for you to walk away thinking, okay, I can actually do this. Because you can, even if life feels busy, chaotic, or unpredictable. So let's demystify reading, what parents get wrong. Kids don't learn to read overnight. It's actually a series of tiny building blocks that stack over time. Most parents overcomplicate it or wait too long because they think reading is this big, formal lesson. But reading begins with simple everyday skills like hearing sounds, playing with language, blending simple words, recognizing patterns, looking at books together. These aren't big teaching moments. They're 10 minutes woven into your day. Moments like that, happen for us naturally after just sitting down for a few minutes and playing with a box set, like this, and having my child match up the letters and then sound them out. Simple wins in simple moments. Those are what add up over time. So let's talk about 3 building blocks here. First is phonemic awareness. This is kind of something we start as early as age 2. This simply means helping your child hear sounds in words. You can clap for syllables, rhyming games, listening for beginning sounds. These all count. Then another block is letter sounds, not letter names. Most parents start with the alphabet song. It's totally fine, but that actually makes reading a little harder when you go to teach them to read. Kids need the sounds even more before the names because sounds are what they blend later. Then we have blending. This is the bridge to reading. This is where the magic happens. And oh, is it magical when they figure it out. Blending is when your child learns to push sounds together like k, a, t, cat. So important here, these are not full lessons. They're playful, short, everyday moments. And if you're thinking, I wish someone would just show me exactly what to do. That's exactly why I created the 5-day Reading Jumpstart Challenge for parents to get you started on their reading journey together. In just 5 days, I'll help your child read their first word with a simple plan that you can repeat anytime. It's only $27, and I'll link it here and in the description box below. So what does this look like in a busy home? Because all of our homes are busy. You can fit reading exposure into your life. You don't need extra time. I teach this so much to other parents. You do not need extra time. A few examples are in the car. What sound does sun start with? At bedtime. Let's blend 2 sounds together before we read. During play. Can you find something that starts with While cooking, can you help me find the letter that makes the B sound? These little moments, just 10 minutes a day, move your child forward faster than any workbook. And this is one of my key points. The real secret is consistency, not perfection. Parents think they need to be experts. You don't. What your child needs is repetition and predictability, not perfect lessons. Let go of the perfectionism. Kids learn through play, routine, and connection. It's better to do a tiny bit every day than to try to cram one long lesson on the weekend. You can be your child's first teacher, not by being perfect, but by being present. We've got to get back to this in having parents present. So, where do you start? Here's the simplest place to start, and this works whether your child is 2 or 7. Step 1, choose one sound of the day. Keep it fun, simple, playful. Use it throughout the day naturally. Step 2, blend 2 to 3 letter words and sounds, casually. map, app, sit, it. Simple. Step 3, repeat it tomorrow. A new sound, a new blending example. Still only 10 minutes. And don't worry, in the next video, I'll walk you through a full 5-minute routine you can start immediately. And don't forget about that 5-day reading Jumpstart challenge. Now, I want to show you a 5-minute reading routine that you can start today, one that works for busy homes and for kids ages 2 to like 7. I'm going to break that routine down in the next video on your screen right now.